Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So it is a beautiful, cool morning, and we're gonna go ahead and get the farm all ready and get them all up, fed, and happy for the day. So let's head out and take care of all of the animals on the farm. These chickens are doing so good. I already gave them their feed. I need to go ahead and refill their waters, and then we'll come back and give them their water. Now we'll head to the big barn and check on the animals over there. Because it is a cold morning, I'm gonna go ahead and close the door so that way the heat can stay in there, leaving the heat lamps on. The bigger chickens I'm not so worried about because they're fully feathered, but I've got those 50 tiny babies in there, and they definitely need the heat. They don't have enough feathers to keep themselves warm. Although they do snuggle up to those turkeys though, and they're pretty warm. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this door. All right, the pigs are hungry. Let's go ahead and feed the pigs. Alright, now that the babies are all out, they've got plenty of food, plenty of water, we're going to go ahead and go back into the barn and feed the rest of the chickens. Alright, all of the morning chores are done. Pigs fed, check. Chickens fed, check. Dogs out running around, check. I'm going to go inside and get their food right now. But everything is good on the homestead. It's time to go ahead and go inside and get my breakfast going. And hubby's, he should be home in about an hour. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.